Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update for Microsoft Edge. So it happened late today. I was waiting for the blog post to see what's in it. I'm a little surprised and not that surprised either because the Chrome update for security came today. So I doubt that, it was in Edge. So basically, Edge is following what Chrome did this week. So if you go into your Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. I am moving to 151.0.4129.72. Now, what they say in the blog post is this is bug fixes and performance fixes. There's no security updates mentioned. So what I guess is that last Tuesday, Chrome had such an update which didn't seem to have security updates. And basically, we moved on to this on Edge today. And of course, today, Chrome had 41 security updates, which I expect Microsoft Edge to get. I would guess, looking at how the time frame, I would guess maybe it's going to go at Monday. They rarely or almost never release weekend updates. So if it's not tomorrow, late in the day, it will be, I would guess, on Monday that we probably will see an Edge update with the security fixes. So check that out also on your Chromium-based browsers, Brave, Opera, Edge, Vivaldi, not Edge, Vivaldi, and so on. Make sure that you update everything because these security updates are important to have, but I guess they might arrive throughout either tomorrow. I don't know the time frame. I should look at some of the browsers and see their time frame compared to Edge on how long they take to get the security updates. For example, when Chrome gets its updates, to see how long it takes usually. Maybe some of you can highlight that if you are using Brave or Opera or anything. What's the time frame? How many days does it take for, say, security updates of Chrome and Chromium to actually appear on your browser? So more updates probably coming up soon. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.